Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching y'all how to make some cute little paper stars. These would be great to pile up in a jar and give as a gift or something like that. And for all my Americans, you could also make the stars in red, white, and blue to decorate for the 4th of July. Begin by cutting an at least 20-inch or 50 centimeter strip of paper. It can be anywhere between 1 to 3 centimeters wide, depending on how large you want your stars to be. The paper I'm using is colored printer paper, but copy paper works too. You'll want to bring the right end of the paper over and down. It'll look almost like a ribbon. Now take this piece and feed it through this loop. Pull the top and bottom to help tighten the knot. Fold the shorter end back as well as the longer strand. Keep wrapping the pentagon like so. Once you have this small fraction left, open the little envelope and tuck it inside. Now we'll inflate the star. With your index finger and thumb, gently apply pressure and pinch to form the points of your star. Now your star is complete. I went ahead and made a few more. This can be tricky though, so don't give up if it doesn't work the first time around. And that's a wrap for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If this video was helpful, then let me know by commenting or leaving a like. I also have plenty of other fun crafts up on my channel. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!